same on the other side.
All right, I'm gonna give it some power.
Power is on.
We have power.
Okay.
Is the rear light on?
Yeah, rear light's on.
Good, good.
Check all your lights.
I think everything's good. Let's go ahead and gas it up.
Injectors.
Fuel
I think
pump,
I have to have this on.
ignition.
Says we've got less than a quarter tank.
Turn your fuel pump on.
All right, check for leaks. Got the lights?
Let me grab one.
That one's dying.
Check both fuel rails.
It's dead.
Hold on, let me grab a light.
20. It's got to fill the fuel filter. 57.
What's the fuel pressure go up
Here's
to?
something hissing.
That's the regulator back here.
Fuel pressure's at 60. Check the gauge on the other side.
Check the gauge, Russell. What does that say?
No, gauge right by your left hand.
Oh, this one? It's at
Do
almost,
I have a leak?
it's like 40, 56, it's almost at 60.
Power to the coils.
Okay, starting 4401 after a season of rebuilding in an engine rebuild.
Ready?